Hi, I'm Megan with WTI, and if you've had kitchen utensils for a really long time like I have, sometimes you just need to get rid of them and replace them all because they're all tired looking. So I decided to get this kitchen utensil set by Queta. I just love them. I love the fact that they're all silicone. This is like having a spatula in every single utensil that you have. So as I use them in my pots and my pans, it is really making sure that nothing sticks when I cook. There's 11 pieces in here, so you're definitely gonna have everything that you need. I use the whisk and the tongs and ladles and spoons. They definitely are heat resistant. I have left these utensils inside my pot while it's still very hot, and the silicone has not burned. And I do actually really love that the handles are made of wood because you can rest them inside your pot without anything burning or melting off. So that's been really nice, a nice feature as well. This would be a perfect gift for a new bride-to-be or a great hostess gift as well. And it's definitely worth the buy, even if it's for yourself. And that's my point of view.